Welcome to the video, parents. Getting ready for a trip with your little one can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're focusing on essential baby travel accessories that will make your journey smoother, whether you're jetting off on a long vacation or just a quick weekend getaway. We'll be covering everything from diaper bags and car seats to strollers and other handy items. Stay tuned to discover the must-have essentials for traveling with your baby. First up, let's talk about the trusty diaper bag. This isn't just any ordinary bag, it's your mobile command center for all things baby. Look for a diaper bag with plenty of room. You need space for diapers, wipes, extra clothes, bottles, snacks, toys, and maybe even a few essentials for yourself. Organization is key. Multiple compartments help keep everything separate and easy to find. Insulated pockets are great for keeping bottles warm or cool, and a built-in changing pad is a must-have for those on-the-go diaper changes. Safety is always the top priority when traveling with your little one. That's why a properly installed car seat is absolutely essential. Make sure you choose a car seat that's the right fit for your baby's age and weight. Read the instructions carefully and follow them precisely for a secure installation. Never compromise on safety. Investing in a high-quality, well-fitting car seat will give you peace of mind, knowing your little one is safe and secure during every trip. A stroller is a real game changer for navigating crowded places like airports, theme parks, and bustling city streets. It provides a safe and comfortable space for your little one while you're on the move. When choosing a stroller for travel, consider a lightweight and compact model that's easy to maneuver and fold for storage. Look for features like a one-hand fold, adjustable handles, and a large storage basket for all your essentials. A travel stroller makes navigating busy areas a breeze, freeing you to enjoy your trip with your little one. By investing in these essential baby travel accessories, you'll be well equipped to handle any travel situation with your little one. A spacious and organized diaper bag will keep all your baby's essentials within reach. A safe and properly installed car seat will provide peace of mind while you're on the road. And a lightweight, compact stroller will make navigating crowded areas a breeze. With these must-haves, you'll be ready to embark on exciting adventures with your baby, creating unforgettable memories together. Happy travels and enjoy every moment.